We are at Atrium Villas, Building B in Seabrook Island, South Carolina. Located on Ocean Winds Drive. And Building B is identical to Building A, and we're going to ride the elevator in Building B now. If it works. Nope. For some reason, the elevators it's being fixed. Okay, so that's it. Building B. We are in Ocean Winds, Building B, on Seabrook Island, South Carolina. Where the heck's the elevator? Oh. It's right here. We're in the bottom of the park garage. Fire recall. Otis. Mirror. Looks like the arrows don't work. So cab view. Actually, so 3. Wow. Phone's in there. $2,500. Button lights up. I mean the lights up, but there's no ding. The door closes as soon as I get out. It's just not really wood. Okay. Call cancel button. Certificate, Ocean Winds Building B. It's on 3. That doesn't sound good. Oh, I guess it doesn't light up on ground. The leveling for this is a jolt. Good thing is the door close button works. It's not quite a death drop, it's just kind of loud. Watch. I step through, and the door closes. That's it.